Saying gun hit. He's hit. Let him out. Let's go to the orange flag.
Where that guy in the black is?
Yeah.
All right. Can I get parallel up there, or do we have to cross the bank?
Just get, you know, just get over there somewhere. Oh no, you don't have to. Yeah, you just get as close as, you know.
All right, I got it.
He's hit. Let him out. You dead?
Yeah.
All right. You're out.
Red. Red.
You're out. You're not. It's not friendly.
Look at this motherfucking sneaky spot. Dead. Dead. This guy, this is new. Another one? Alright, this camp is, we have no visual on that guy. Yeah, I have no clue where he's at. 3, is he dug down somewhere? That's our guys right there. Those are those guys. That's not our guys. Yeah, he is. Oh, one over here. Oh, he got hit.
He's hit. Let him out.
In here. Shit. Get in there? Yeah.
He's hit. Let him out. Good job. Multi-kill. 5 minutes to complete the 2 flags.
Get him, Rock. Get him.
Where are you at? Where'd you start out? Over there? Just that red flag. Or you can wait there a couple of minutes. You know, you don't have to go all the way back. Just make sure you're not in the line of fire.
Where's he at?
There's one in this lane right here to the left.
How many rows?
Nah, just right here.
Oh, I see. Just standing
Yeah,
there?
yeah, just standing there.
Reality, just this area.
Is this us right here?
But they might go in there. You know, I can't control everybody. You know, and it's already too late to. Hey, you can't go in there. They go in there. They go in there. You know. No, we're good. We're good. We got like 3 minutes. Are they giving up? I'll call them if they're giving up.
I have money on that they bitched out.
I bet they're gonna go that way. Yeah, I'll call it.
Kitty kid down this row right here.